My name is Kyle Nordfors. With the Sheriff's Department, I am a search and rescue volunteer. The 19th Special Forces Group reached out to us and asked if we would be willing to come down and bring our assets to help train them up or train with them. The big drone that just took off is a delivery drone. Our mission set with that is to be pre-positioning resupply or giving some resupply to the troops that are out in the field. So we're trying to leverage this drone technology to its fullest extent to be able to help save lives. We can send the drone and can get there a lot faster than people in their Humvees or delivery vehicles, especially if you have to go up and over the mountains like we have here behind us. To date, up in our county, we have saved over 24 lives with this technology. And we would love to be able to have our brave men and women that are overseas protecting us to have access to this technology as well. It is completely changing the battlefield, and we're just happy to participate and be part of this.